Kawadhi nyime ni jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Machogo yango ni penj maduong' mar jopuonjre manie skunde mag primar kod sekondar dhi chakore tarik 28 mar dweni. Penj mar jo primar mar KCPE biro rumo tarik 30 mar dweni, kamano mar KCSE mar jo sekondar biro dhi nyime nyaka tarik 23 mar dwe mar 12. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua mane odhialo nyasi mar yango chenro mar penj olero ni tend piny Kenya tiyo kanyakla gi bad migepe mag arita kwe mar chiwo arita makare ne jopuonjre, jopuonj kod afisas mabiro tayo penj. Gachagua singo neno ni jopuonjre otimo penj e alwora makare ahinya to mago mantiere counties ma oro gi kech ohero.
We are having 3 exams being done concurrently from 28th of this month up to 30th, and of course the Form 4 exam will be able to continue until the 23rd of December. So it's another history in the making, but all arrangements are well. We have been able to deploy enough personnel, of course, adequate center managers as confirmed by none other than the CEO of Teacher Service Commission. We cannot be able to accommodate any kind of malpractice, any kind of leakage, any kind of thing that will be able to compromise the integrity of this national exam.
The Deputy County Commissioners and Assistant County Commissioners have in recent years provided oversight over the administration of examinations by ensuring timely opening and closing of containers, and also ensuring the containers are manned on 24/7 basis upon delivery of examinations in their sub-counties and divisions.
We know that the ongoing drought has affected schools, especially day scholars who constitute around 70% of our secondary schools. In addition to the food distribution in arid and semi-arid areas, measures are being put in place to ensure students do not miss exams due to hunger.